Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a review on the brand new D&D Spline quick release. It is pretty cool. I am honestly really loving the color, loving how it feels. It feels so sturdy, so solid. Looks very different from your traditional quick releases, which pretty much just a circle, as you can see at the back end on this that I currently have. No brand, but still does the job right there. So, doing a quick review on this, as you can see. Pretty much all you gotta do is just pull back right here. Bam. Separates. This goes to your hub, super light, and this goes to the steering wheel. It feels so solid, so strong. I'm really enjoying the quality on this. The only con I can think of this, pretty much if anybody's running a horn, yeah, pretty much horn's gone on this, so it's not too bad. You know, most race cars don't have a horn. Weight reduction, right? As you can see, it's pretty cool. You got all these teeth to align it. There's one teeth that's missing here, or pretty much just like two teeth into one. That goes directly into this. Pretty much just find it in there, pull back, get in, let go. That's it. Pretty simple, straightforward. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off our old quick release from the car and steering wheel, and we're gonna go ahead and install the new one from D&D. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the install. Luckily D&D provides everything we need. Pretty much just all you need is this Allen key right here. And let's go ahead and get started. D&D Spline, as you guys can see. Separate it. This part goes to the car, this part goes to the steering wheel. Put those to the side right now. Get our old D&D steering wheel right here. Let's get these off. Pretty much, you're gonna get your nut, get your bolt, put it on one side, get your washer, put it on the other side, and get your nut, and bang. That's it, and you just pretty much continue the process onto the other holes. You might want to get some pliers just to hold onto the nut on the other side. I mean the bolt onto the other side, just so you can tighten it up a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see this, but just hold on to it right there and just tighten it up from the other side. Alright, all done. As you can see, bolts all there. Nuts on the other end. They're all tight. Pretty much if you have any quick release, the install is almost the same. One part goes to the steering wheel, part goes to the hub on the car. So if you have any questions on that, pretty much this install video can help you install almost any quick release out there as well. Okay guys, so hopefully this helps you guys out. Now let's go over to the car and install the other end. Alright, so now all we gotta do is pretty much just take off all these bolts right here off the old quick release part that connects to our hub. And after that, it goes on. Pretty simple. Let's do it. Alright, here's the new one that we're going to put on. Here's the old one, pretty much the same, so the pattern's going to fit the same. It's going to fit our hub right here. Let's go ahead and put it on now. Alright, it's going to match up our interior pretty well with all this purple. comes down to tighten up anything, I always like to do the whole star thing, pretty much just like, you know, when you tighten up your wheel, you always want to go across from each other. I'm going to do the exact same thing here. There you guys go. It's in. Only thing I can see people have a hard time getting used to a little bit is pushing instead of pulling like a regular quick release, but it's not too bad. Pretty much just push it all the way, it slides out. Same thing goes when you're putting it back on. Make sure you push it in all the way and slide it in all the way till you can't see this anymore. And you're in. It's sturdy, super strong. Loving it. Thank you DND for the support. Thanks everybody who's been supporting Drift Geek. Truly means a lot. If you like the videos, go ahead and like it, comment, subscribe to our channel, tag some friends in it. Hopefully I'll be making more videos like this. Hopefully you guys like this one. Thanks guys. Have a nice day.